Hi everyone, my name is Rafael Gito Satrio. On this occasion, I will show you how to cook Indomie. Before cooking, we first look for Indomie and eggs as the main ingredients.
It's very easy to find Indomie. Usually, you can find Indomaret or other nearby shop. Besides that, the price is affordable and very cheap. Only take 2 bags of Indomie
and choose egg with good quality.
Actually, I rarely cook, but when I think of these talks, cooking Indomie is the first thing that comes to my mind. Because cooking Indomie is very simple. And now, we go to kitchen to cook. Sorry, in advance this kitchen might look very dirty and messy.
Before cooking, first check the stove in your kitchen. It's still working.
Prepare a small skillet and fill it with water. Then heat it. Then wait until the water boils. While waiting, you can play guitar, even play mobile games. After boiling, add the noodles. Add 2 eggs, chicken eggs, not dinosaur eggs. Then stir. Pour Indomie pieces, one by one, into the plate. Then pour Indomie and cook it gravy onto a plate that has been seasoned. Put the chip on top of the Indomie as a topping. Finally, Indomie is ready to eat.
Thank you for taking the time to watch my video tutorial. I hope it's useful. Stay classic.